I like doing everything, you know? Tennis.
Damn.
Skimboarding.
How many times did you get here and you're all by yourself?
God, I'm on a flashback. That's how it used to be. Before social media.
That's insane.
+1 for the grumpy local.
Hi, I'm Zach Anderson, taking over for Skid Kids today. Got the favorite spot all to ourselves with 𝐂𝐎𝐿. Hopefully we're gonna get a couple good ones. But tide's still getting high. Waiting for a couple more people to show up. And Blair's definitely missing out.
I was growing up in a skimboarding family. Your dad is a legend.
Yeah, it was brought to me pretty soon. When I was a kid, like as soon as I could walk, he was putting me on a skimboard, my dad. And yeah, coming down here ever since I was about like 8 years old, 9 years old.
Well, what you gotta know about him is his dad was the man, is the man. The real, the Jerry Lopez of the sport that raised us all. And that's why he's such a good kid. Hendy is the man. Little junior Hendy's got the style, he's got the good attitude like his dad has. That's the real story behind the kid. Good parents. You might remember Gary from episode 34 when he pearled on the wave of the day at Wedge.
Make it Larry!
He walked up to me and he's like, "Do I get barreled on that wave?" I was like, "You have to ask." Now we're talking about you, Gary. Now the one you pearled at the Wedge.
I don't recall.
You changed your board color up.
Out of that.
You had to change your board color. No longer the pink board guy.
Different guy.
Do you have any comments about the pearling at the Wedge?
Yeah. I watched that wave, or I watched that clip from 3 different angles like 50 times. And the wave sucked up so hard that you literally had to be at the ultimate bottom of the wave. But the thing is that when I was on the cider, from my point of view, as I was pulling into it, it looked like it was already breaking. I'm already out of breath.
I'm good.
But that wave
I'm more confused now than.
No, that wave slapped so hard you had to like point your board towards the beach. I'm more of a trial and error type of skimmer. I don't strategize my wave selection skills.
Kids these days, they have no love for the legs. They're just wasting legs away.
I'm winning the heat.
Dude, at least my legs are as good as yours because you just waste them away. This much wave.
Yeah, seriously. The water is not fast enough, so like when you're on the water, it's just like you're just like so the water just feels soft for some reason. Weirdly enough, but you have to run really fast because the water is very just still, and skimboards work better when the water is fast. Been in the nest, bro. Been hiding out. When the waves aren't good, I'm not there. When the waves are good, I'm there.
Is that a way of saying that your girlfriend is whipping you around?
Yeah. The leash is tight right now. That's why you don't see me. No, not at all.
There wasn't even a wave. We're gonna explain why you went for that wave. There wasn't even a wave though.
I have really bad wave selection. That's why I went for that wave. Baby, let's go.
I'm gonna have to start making fun of your wave selection.
Can't skim right now. Waves are hard.
It's time for some donuts.
It's time for some donuts.
Feed the belly.
You know what's up.
Nutrition.
Very good nutrition, very healthy.
Jake's my favorite skimboarder, but I say that to almost every skimboarder.
Makes me feel so special. So special.
Watch, this is why he's my favorite skimboarder. I got my favorite skimboarder's back.
Right on cue. Oh, Larry Abdulla. Is that Larry? I think that was Larry, not Gary on that one. Dude, shred the gnar! Kinda close, he said. Blair, we don't miss. I mean, we miss you.
Got a little funky. Wind
It
picked up.
never turned on like we were expecting to.
Yeah, I know. Bunch of people came. It's a good squad though.
Yeah, it happens.